Hey y'all, hey, it has been a while. Happy New Year. I wanted to come in and show you my new hairdo. I purchased this during Black Friday weekend from a website, hashtag support a sister, Darcel's Tresses. These are handmade units. It is, I have several box braid units and all of them are different. This one has like with the braiding, you will see different size braiding. Some of them are very small, some of them are a little bit bigger, like towards medium, so it gives it that added texture. And also they taper off at the ends, so that keeps the unit from being just very heavy. She has several different styles. I've seen twist styles and I've seen of course, longer. I was able to choose the length. She offered 16, I think it was 14, 16, 18, and then like 22 or something like that. Check out the website and see for yourself. I chose 16 because if you follow me for any period of time, you know I don't like other people's long hair on me. I love it on everybody else. Everyone else looks all exotical when they do it, but when I do it, I just look like it's team too much. So I opted for 16 inches, which is almost the length of my real hair, at least last I checked, because my hair has been up for a long time, for months. So, but this is what it looks like in the back. And so I felt like that was believable for me. Yes, darling. you know. The hair came, it came with the little jewels. It also has, now you see the baby hair, and I never know what to do with the baby hairs. I like to wear my units a little bit behind my own hairline so that my own baby hairs come through. But what I like about this unit is that she only put a few hairs. It was like very sparse, for that believability. And I didn't even cut them yet. I just kind of tucked them away. But what happens is when I tuck them away, it's sort of like, if I like it to look kind of like, is it what, like, so when people glance, they assume that it is my hair. So like, you see how my hair is right there, and then you got the baby hair sort of flogging it. Now I didn't cut all of this lace off because I know I would be cutting the baby hairs, but I didn't want the lace off. If you know how to flage it well, you won't be able to tell that it's lace. In fact, I couldn't even tell it was lace until I looked at it real closely. I did not put anything in the parts. You have like a short, I'm gonna take it off so you can see everything. But you have about, what is this? I would say, is that 2.5 inches parting? Maybe more. I don't know. I think 2.5 inches parting. This is an enclosure, lace enclosure. Now I have the unit sideways, but it's actually a middle part. And like I said, she has other units on her website, so check it out. And you can see parting space here and here. Now, instead of trying to pull the hair over this way, I like the idea of the middle part in case I wanted to just keep it in the middle, but then I could just push it over to the side and I'm done. What else? As you guys know, did I show you? Oh no, I showed you the ends. These are the ends, which they taper off, which I like. And I think too with these ends, you can also, if you wanted to texturize them a little more, you can maybe curl them and dip them in hot water or something like that. I'm trying to decide if that's something I want to do, or if I want to do a little wave. I might braid the bottoms and dip it. I'm not sure. Or I might just leave it as is. What else can I say about this? It cost me $90 plus shipping. I don't remember how much the shipping was. I want to say $10. I don't show unboxings because they are very boring and I really don't care about that. If you are into packaging or whatnot, it did come. I don't even have the packaging with me. It came in an envelope, but it was in like the clear cellophane packaging with her business cards, and she included 2 stocking caps. Anyway, yes, Hunty. This unit is reminding me of Exotical because it tapers at the ends. It's giving me like that effortless, almost beachy braids, if you will. Um, am I missing something? Oh, shipping. I ordered it on, it was Black Friday weekend, so like right after Thanksgiving, I ordered it. And then it arrived yesterday. Yesterday was January 17th. Again, this is a handmade unit. So she is literally making these, she's braiding these. So if you purchase, don't make any plans around the unit or receiving it. Just know that you're getting a handmade piece and that it may take a little bit of time. You might get it sooner than that. But I was like, I know that I'm not the one to be in a salon sitting in somebody's chair while they're trying to braid my brains out, because I will hop up out of chair in a minute. Look, I am not the best. I'm a relatively decent customer, but when I start hearing and feeling certain things, I'm hopping out of chair. I've done it gazillions of times, so I'm not the one to have someone, tearing my edges out, and I'm certainly not gonna sit there for hours on end. I love the idea of going to the salon, getting my hair did and braided, but nobody has the time, and I don't really want to utilize my time in that fashion. So I like to be able to get my hairstyles sent to me to my doorstep, and it take me 5 minutes to put on. Okay. So again, that is Darcel's Tresses. If you got any questions, if I missed anything, please let me know. I'm going to take this unit off so you can see everything. I'm going to take it off now. And it does come with the back strap. Let me take it off right now. And here's my stocking cap. I'm going to take that off too. I washed my hair before putting the unit on because I like my hair to be condensed. And depending on the style in which I condense it for a unit will determine how it lays. All right, now here is what the cap looks like. So you see you have the parting and the lace right there. And honestly, I would not, if I don't have a stocking cap on with this, I wouldn't trip because it's one of those mesh caps. And I would feel safe in wearing it, okay? Here's the strap. Now, the strap was on and I cut it. If your hair, if your head is relatively small, or if your hair is very like tight or short, then this is going to keep it secure. Now, I purposely didn't cut the whole thing off because again, it depends on how I'll have my hair at any given moment underneath. So I know that I can sew this back on. If you are not confident with sewing your units or, working with the wig like that, think about it before you go to cutting and doing all this other stuff. I'm used to altering wigs to fit my needs. But I purposely kept the strap, one side of the strap on so that later on, if I need to, I can sew it back in. But this is a back strap to hold it in place. There are no combs, which I like, and I like that I am able to put this unit on like a hat. I don't have to worry about the combs tugging. Put the unit on like a hat. It's on securely, and I'm good to go. I know I did a lot of moving, so let me take my time. I am so sorry. And I love me some beads and braids. So I have adornments. You can, of course, change these out. They're not glued on or anything. You can take those off if you want. Switch them out with some new ones. And here's the end. Yeah, so I got up this morning, honey, but I was not going anywhere. But I was like, let me get up, put my clothes on, and do my hair. You know how I do it. I am going to bring you simple, quick, and easy. Hashtag support a sister. If you have not already seen me, I have not gone anywhere. I have been on social media. I'm putting it on so you can see. I have been on social media. I am at Love TJ Sykes, where I help people live big, beautiful, happy, and abundant lives. I'm going to link my YouTube channel and all the links associated, Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. I'm going to link all of that below so you can join me over there, because I am out here in these social media streets and I am sharing some wealth of knowledge and some love while I have my hair did. And see, now I got my hair on. Boop. See that? I'm going to make it simple and easy. That's what I do. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I love you. And as usual, until the next video, live simply and be kind. Smoochie.